Some people literally cannot function without black coffee. One cup in the morning, another during work, and one after lunch, and somehow another late at night. And then they say, bro, coffee doesn't affect me. Meanwhile, sleep is ruined, body is dehydrated, anxiety is high, energy crashes keep happening, and then they are tired without caffeine. In this video, I am not here to tell you that black coffee is bad, because honestly, black coffee actually has some really good benefits. It can improve focus, increase alertness, help in workouts, and even support fat loss when consumed properly. So first, let's quickly understand the benefits of black coffee, and then I'll tell you 5 important things you should keep in mind before drinking it. So coffee helps your body instead of harming it. Now, obviously, there's reason so many people love coffee. The caffeine in black coffee stimulates your nervous system, which is why you feel more awake and focused after drinking it. It can also improve concentration, reduce fatigue, boost workout performance, and in some people, slightly increase metabolism. And black coffee itself is very low in calories. So yes, coffee can absolutely be a part of healthy lifestyle. But the problem starts when people overdo it or drink it at the wrong time and in the wrong way. That's where issues begin. So let's talk about the mistakes. First, don't drink coffee immediately after waking up. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waking up and instantly drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Your body naturally produces cortisol in the morning, which already helps wake you up. Now imagine adding a strong dose of caffeine on the top of that immediately. That's why many people feel jittery, anxious, acidic, or shaky after morning coffee. Instead, try this. Wake up, drink water, get some sunlight, maybe move around a little, and then have your coffee after 60 to 90 minutes. You will notice your energy feels much more stable. Second, coffee is not a replacement for water. A lot of people proudly say, I drink 5 cups of coffee daily. Okay, but how much water do you drink? Because if your entire hydration is based on coffee, your body is going to suffer. Too much caffeine with low water intake can contribute to headache, fatigue, dry skin, constipation, dizziness, and brain fog. Now there's one simple habit we all should follow before having coffee. Drink 1 full glass of water. That one change alone can make a huge difference. Point 3. Don't use coffee to fix bad sleep. This is probably the biggest trap. People sleep late, wake up tired, drink coffee to survive, then crash later, then drink more coffee again. And slowly caffeine becomes a dependency. If you constantly need caffeine just to feel normal, your body is probably asking for better sleep, better recovery, less stress, not more coffee. And avoid coffee late in the evening. A lot of people say, I can drink coffee at night and still sleep. Maybe you can fall asleep, but your sleep quality still gets affected. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours, and even if you sleep, you may not get proper deep sleep. Poor recovery, low next day energy, mood swings, cravings, and feeling tired again the next morning. So ideally, try avoiding coffee after 2 to 4 p.m., especially if your sleep is already bad. Don't become emotionally dependent on coffee. Some people literally say, don't talk to me before any coffee. That sounds funny, but honestly, it's a sign of dependency. Coffee should be a tool, something you enjoy, something that enhances your day, not the only reason you can function. The healthiest coffee drinkers are usually people who can enjoy it in moderation without needing it every few hours. Best way to drink black coffee. So what's the ideal approach? For most people, 1 to 2 cups per day is completely fine. Drink enough water, don't drink it too late, don't rely on it for energy, and avoid turning it into an addiction. And if coffee gives you anxiety, acidity, palpitation, or poor sleep, your body may simply tolerate less caffeine than others. And that's okay. At the end of the day, coffee is not bad, but how you drink it makes all the difference. 1 or 2 mindful cups can improve your focus and productivity, but excessive, poorly timed coffee habits can slowly damage your sleep, hydration, recovery, and overall energy. So enjoy your coffee, just don't let coffee control your life. And if you know someone who literally survive on caffeine, send them this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wait, lifestyle के लिए 10 अलग pages क्यों follow करना? Health, fitness, yoga, mental wellness, सब कुछ एक ही जगह. Fit तक. Simple tips, expert insights, real conversations. Life upgrade करो easy way. Watch only on Fit Tak YouTube.